Hello. This is just a recap of my Christmas break and Christmas presents and stuff like that. So my brother got me some packs from a local hobby shop, but the only thing I pulled was an Aurelius Ben jersey out of Prime, numbered 7 of 25. And then I got for him this Lance Briggs autobiography card. And here that is, on card autograph with 3 patches, numbered 13 of 35. I probably can't see that. There you go. And then we got 1 box of limited football. And it actually was not too bad. I'll start off with the base, I guess. Just Paul Krause Legend. They're all numbered out of 499. Devin McCourty Rookie. Steven Jackson. Matt Ryan. And Nate Burleson. And then the hits were Joe Hayden. Draft Day. Hat jersey that's numbered 1 of 50. It might be going on eBay because it sells decently well. And then Regatta Redemption, silver monikers. And that was for Trent Williams, who is an offensive tackle, but he was also the number 4 pick in the draft, so it's not that bad. And this is a really nice card, even though the guy is not too good. Andre Roberts, rookie patch auto. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a good Christmas. Subscribe and stuff like that.